Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and I don't know if you remember a video a couple months ago with this little guy when he was so tiny, a puppy. He grew up already a little bit. He's still a puppy, but I'm here with my crew to do the house cleaning. We are located in Davenport, Florida. Actually, I'm located in Ronald Reagan with Champions Gate Boulevard. I'm so in love with dogs since I was little. And I have 2 dogs at home. And I know that sometimes it's really tough or challenge to maintain a clean house, especially with a lab. I have a lab too. They shed a lot of hair and they follow the owner everywhere. They don't like to be alone. And so usually the pet hair is everywhere. On the floor, on top of furniture, even next to the toilet. When I shower, my dogs lay down next to me and they watch me. So when I see TV in the living room, my dog is there. So you might have the same thing. And if you are busy, if you have a work, you can contact us at 407-572-4118. Oh, you're pretty. And even I clean the house because I like to clean, but also I really enjoy to be with pets, with dogs. I love it. So in case that you need a dog sitting, just call me too. Okay, I'm gonna take you up. Okay, I'm gonna take you up because I wanna play a little bit, just a little bit with you, okay? So my website is anyhousecleaning.com, and you can contact me at 407-572-4118. Okay, let's go. Let's play a little bit, yeah? Okay. Here's my body, right? Here's my body. See? See? I love you. I love you. I love you. I really love you. I love you. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's walk a little bit if you want. Okay? So my crew is doing the other bathroom. Okay, wait for me here. And if you need our services again, just contact me at 407-572-4118. Come on. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.